Yo, what's going on guys, Aaron here. In this video I wanted to give you guys a little review of my car, especially because a lot of people ask me oh, what you have in your car, like what's special about my car. I'm just gonna give you like a little like review of it, of everything that comes with it, especially for the people that don't know about Lancers. Mine is a GTS, it's a sportback, so it's a hatchback. Yeah, I'm just gonna give you a little review. Alright, so this is a front view of the car. This is the new steering wheel installed. If you guys want to see the install, it's gonna be down in the description below for you guys. This is the D&D steering wheel. Actually, I love like their steering wheels. Like, it's a really good material, so Alcantara, if you guys can see. I never can pronounce that right. It's quick release as well. I have an energy quick release as well with the energy hub, and let me take that out for you so you guys can see it. So yeah, that's basically it. This is the actual steering wheel, so let me put this aside for now. I mean, I don't have any mods inside apart from that. This is a manual 5-speed, nothing out of the ordinary. Yeah, a lot of people think this car is automatic, but no, this is actually a manual. And this is the only thing that I got, because I think this came with a Bluetooth, but I don't know if they had it or not, so I just got this because it was so easy, so I can put my music. The energy stickers. This is actually, I don't know if you guys can see in the back, like, well, over there, like I'll show you guys later, but like I have the D&D sticker, and then I wanted to put it here, but because it's meant for the glass, it didn't like came out of the sticker, so I tried to like put it back on and I ripped it, so I was like whatever, and I did a smiley face because I was like, why not? So yeah, that's basically how my car is from the inside. Let me give you guys a little tour of the outside. There's not many mods actually. There's no mods actually. There's like these crazy girls over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like they just came out of the car and they just started like jumping and dancing. Like they're enjoying their life. I can tell, but I don't know. It's kind of weird. I'm still not used to like recording with people around. I don't know. I feel weird. But anyways, let me show you guys the outside. I should probably turn off the car. 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer GTS. For the people that don't know, fun fact, these wheels actually come just with the GTS version. Other type of car don't come with those type of wheels. Like other versions of the Lancer don't come with those wheels. So yeah, that's how you know if it's a GTS or not. I got this plastic. It's only plastic. I like the looks. I would like to make it functional in the future, maybe, but as of right now, that's just how it ends up. I switched this because for a sequential light. So yeah, it was better than the normal one. You guys can see I still have tape from the lights. So yeah, let me just give you a big look of the car. So yeah, how you guys can see, it's like weird in the back, because well, it's a hatchback. I actually have the car on coilovers, which that was actually my second mod, I think. Yeah, so it's in Rev 9 coilovers, I think, and they're cheap. I can go lower. Like I want to go lower, but the problem, the back are maxed out, and I cannot, like I can go lower in the front, but in the back I can't. So that's gonna be like a little like race car like this, so that's no ideal. So as you guys can see, this is maxed out, and like I can put my like one finger maybe like that, you know, but over there like I can still go lower, I can drop it out, but this is maxed out. So yeah, so next mod, stickers. You know the stickers. Si senor, Marines. Yes sir, yes sir. All right. Apart from that, I got an exhaust like usually people do. So you guys can see, I had a muffler delete and a resonator delete. So I don't know if you guys can see the pipe. So it's just like a whole pipe, because I have this car usually comes like there's a muffler, there's a resonator right here, another resonator, and then the cat. So I still have the cat, I still have this resonator, so I took from this resonator back. So I got like a resonator back, I don't know. So I got this resonator out and I took the muffler out. So So yeah, it wasn't anything crazy. This actually didn't came with the car, because the Japanese version of this car comes with that, but the American version doesn't come with it. It comes with a little like plastic here, and to cover it. But I don't know, I just wanted the light because I love the look. I don't know, I still have to make it functional, because the cable that it came with is too short, so it doesn't reach the actual brake light. So I need to make that functional. And well, yeah, can't forget about the stickers, as I said. Eliminate, you know what I'm saying, representing again all the haters. These for all the haters. Then all the mods that I'm putting, I'm just gonna put them right here, and I'm thinking of taking these off maybe, because it's not like I use it that much. Like, I don't know, I'm thinking of removing this, because every time this hits, like, I don't want to like hit the stickers or anything. So I might remove that. So I have the D&D steering wheel, I have the energy hub and the energy quick release. Then this is just something dumb that I had for a long time on the Marine Corps. My cousin is actually in the Marine Corps, so gotta support the troops. And yeah, that's just basically everything. So little overview, and then let me show you guys the exhaust. Actually, there's a Mustang coming. I feel like all car people that come here, like, we always like make it so awkward. I find so many people that like cars around here that come, but it's just so weird, because like you don't know what to do, because I don't know, this is like everyone's place. A lot of people come here and I have no idea. I don't know. But I'm gonna show you guys the actual exhaust. It's not a cold start, but I'm just gonna show you guys the start and how it sounds like. Alright, so here you go. I will conclude everything for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see a review of any other cars, make sure to leave it in the comments below, because I have really cool friends that have these really nice cars, and maybe I can convince them to review the car for you guys. So without adding anything else, I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.